It's surprisingly easy to get ahead of 99% of people using AI. Not because AI is complicated, but because the average person has no idea how to use prompts that actually work.
Exactly, but we've spent the last few years deep in the AI world, building tools, experimenting with prompts, and studying what actually works in real-world workflows.
Yeah, and today, we're revealing the 7 strategies we've discovered that can easily put you ahead of 99% of people. Doesn't matter if you're an AI pro or someone who's never touched AI before, these hacks can seriously change the game.
So buckle up because this isn't just theory. These are the same tried and tested secret tricks AI experts have been using for years.
Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn AI into your own personal productivity engine.
Welcome to AI Pulse Network.
Let's start with the most obvious, yet most overlooked, rule number 1. Get ChatGPT Pro. Don't settle for the base model. That's what the average person does. And average is not what we're going for.
If you're using the free version, you're leaving opportunities and money on the table. Why? Because you're not here to play in the kiddie pool. You're here to dive in and dominate the deep. The Pro version offers you so much more. Faster models, more context, longer memory. Now that's real horsepower.
Think of it like this. Everyone else is still riding a bicycle. You're upgrading to a motorbike, or better yet, a rocket.
Yeah, we know what you're thinking, but that costs money, right?
Look, Pro costs less than a fast food lunch. And trust me, it will pay for itself 10 times over once you start applying these strategies. This is the first move that separates beginners from professionals. Ready for the next step? Now we're getting to the fun part. Rule number 2, the master prompt.
Yeah. Ever feel like ChatGPT just doesn't understand you? That's because, well, it doesn't. Not yet anyway. That's where the master prompt comes into play.
Yep. Think of it as your own personal AI ID. It tells ChatGPT exactly who you are, your role, your goals and values, your tone and how you communicate, your team and projects, what you stand for and don't.
Exactly. It's like giving a travel agent your full profile. The more specific your input, the better the output.
Here's the kicker. ChatGPT can interview you and build the master prompt for you. Answer fully, save it as a PDF, add it to your chat, and boom. Suddenly, every conversation is personalized.
Skip this step and the AI gives you generic, forgettable content. Predictable copy-paste responses.
Yeah, but with your personal master prompt, suddenly every output feels specifically tailored to your own unique personality. Now it has your personal stamp on it. The next step is pretty similar, but in a different way. Rule number 3, the system prompt.
Yes, so if the master prompt is what defines who you are, the system prompt is what defines how the AI behaves.
Most people think bad output automatically means the AI can't do the job. Yeah, that's not actually the case at all. It's the prompt that's weak.
So here's how you can fix that. 1. Generate an output as you would normally do, an email, ad, report, anything. 2. Refine it until it's perfect, exactly the way you want it. Then, the final step, simply ask ChatGPT, write the system prompt that would create this exact output.
And just like that, you have a blueprint you can reuse anytime. Consistency becomes effortless. That brings us to the next step, rule number 4, projects.
Most people work in total chaos, scattered chats, missing contacts, repeating the same things and going in circles. A structured, systemized workflow is what actually moves you forward.
Yeah, that's where ChatGPT projects act like a command center. A central hub keeping everything related to each specific topic in one organized space. Files, conversations, notes, etc.
Exactly. It's like a digital filing room for long-term work. I use them for business acquisitions, home purchases, content creation, basically anything where context matters.
Here's how you do it. Open ChatGPT and sign into your account. On the left sidebar, click on the Projects or Create Project button. Choose New Project and give it a clear name. Add a short description or goal so it's obvious what the project is for. Upload any files, PDFs, images, or notes you want the project to contain. Create folders or sections, for example, research, drafts, assets, and so on, to keep things organized. Start a new chat inside the project for work related to that topic, and your chat history will be saved to the project. You can even pin important messages, prompts, or files to the project for quick access.
And there you go. Now you have your own AI folder room.
The next one is a secret feature most people tend to overlook. Rule number 5, Canvas. Imagine having ChatGPT not just talk to you, but actually work with you on a live document. Welcome to Canvas.
Canvas is a live document inside ChatGPT where you and ChatGPT can team up in real time to create, edit, and shape content all in one easy-to-use space. Super convenient, right?
Yeah, it's a game changer for sure. Simply ask ChatGPT to put your chat in Canvas, and boom, it allows you to edit and create content directly, no switching apps, collaborate in real time, AI suggestions appear instantly, iterate faster, refine ideas and get feedback instantly, stay organized, keep all your work structured and in one place, and visualize your ideas, highlight, structure, and plan content effortlessly.
Yep, no more rewriting. Now you can adjust tone, structure, or wording without losing your original content.
And once it's perfect, you can ask AI to create a system prompt for that style. Scale quality, save time, repeat. Here's one more step to get you closer to mastering ChatGPT. Rule number 6, custom instructions.
Most people don't realize they can make ChatGPT work exactly the way they want, automatically every single time, just by tweaking a few simple settings.
It all comes down to custom instructions, your fixed blueprint for how the AI interacts with you.
Yeah, your tone, your formatting, your style, all saved. Best part is you only need to do it once, so you never repeat yourself again.
Okay, so let's backtrack for a second. Here's the simple breakdown. The master prompt is who you are. The system prompt is how the AI should behave. And custom instructions is how the AI speaks to you every time.
Okay, so how do you set it up? Easy. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon bottom left on desktop, top right on mobile, and choose personalization or custom instructions, and fill in the boxes.
Box 1 tells the AI what to know about you. Like, I prefer simple, practical answers, or I create digital content for my YouTube channel.
Yep, and box 2 tells the AI how to talk to you, like use a friendly tone, give bullet points, or keep explanations easy to understand.
Turn it on once, and boom, every new chat automatically responds in your style.
Yeah, it's basically giving the AI a mini version of your brain.
Exactly, and that's how you unlock the real power of ChatGPT. Finally, the last and most elite ChatGPT move. Rule number 7, custom GPTs.
Honestly, this is hands down one of ChatGPT's most amazing features. It almost deserves a whole video on its own.
Yeah, I agree. So a GPT, in a nutshell, is basically your own personal AI assistant that you can program and customize to follow your specific instructions and perform tasks exactly the way you want.
The possibilities are endless. Business, productivity, operations, marketing, sales, content creation, social media. Whatever the task, you can create a GPT for it.
Yep. Oh, and the benefits are insane. And the best part? Once you've created a GPT, you can even share it with coworkers, clients, or friends.
Exactly. Thanks to GPTs, you can now generate precise and uniform outputs across all your devices. Consistency guaranteed.
No idea how to create your first GPT? We've got you. Here's a quick walkthrough to get you started.
First, we need to open the custom GPT builder. To do that, go to Profile, My GPTs, Create, or just hit Explore GPTs, Create. Then make sure to select Configure.
Next, fill out the basic info. Give your GPT a short, clear name and a description of 1 or 2 sentences.
Now it's time to add instructions. Paste your full prompt and include rules, tone, style, and workflow. You can choose to provide context only, action only, or both.
After that, add conversation starters. These are quick buttons like Start, Give me a topic, or Generate outline to get users going fast.
Optionally, you can add knowledge, upload files to give extra context, and turn on the code interpreter if you want it to analyze files or provide downloadable outputs.
Then set the capabilities. Make sure web browsing, code interpreter, and Canvas are on.
Oh, and don't forget to add a logo. You can upload your brand logo or generate one with DALL-E.
Finally, now you're ready to publish your first GPT. Click Create, choose Only Me or anyone with a link, then test and refine it until it works perfectly.
And there you go. You can improve your GPT over time.
Yeah, GPTs are incredibly powerful and honestly a complete game changer. But since they can feel a bit overwhelming at first, we definitely recommend watching a few in-depth tutorials. They'll break down custom GPTs in a way that actually makes sense and show you how to squeeze the most value out of every step. Trust me, it's worth it. And that's it. Apply these 7 strategies the right way, and you'll instantly operate on a completely different level with ChatGPT.
Exactly. You now have the blueprint, the prompts, the tools, and the systems, everything you need to take control and start mastering ChatGPT.
Start small, build smarter prompts, test your custom GPTs, stick with it, and before you know it, you'll be far ahead of the majority of people using ChatGPT.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay ahead with the latest AI tips, tools, and strategies. We've got plenty more coming, so stay tuned. Until next time.